We're here in Building 3 in our final assembly area, and we have a couple of benchtop workstations here. Now there's 3 different configurations here, but the one we'd like to focus on today is our L-frame benchtop workstation. As you can see, there are a couple differences that it has, but one of the main ones is that there's no enclosure built around it, allowing different sized parts, such as long ones, to be pressed without the need of a restrictive enclosure around it. Additionally, the safety also differs. These other two have light curtains on them, but instead, this one has a 2-hand tie-down, meaning that the operator needs to put both of their hands on the 2-handed tie-down during the entirety of the press. This ensures that the hands are kept in a safe location.
Here at Promess, we try to simplify our processes as much as possible. Today, we're going to flip that on its head. We're assembling a strand of Christmas lights that had a broken bulb. We're going to use our L-frame benchtop here to insert this bulb into the strand. This is probably the most convoluted way you could possibly do this, but let's do it, Peter.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
Fantastic. And there you can see, using this L-frame, you can assemble any strand of Christmas lights you need. I'll take a quick look here. It looks like we got up to about 124 newtons, so not very much force to repair the strand of Christmas lights. I hope you guys learned something today, whether it's about Christmas lights or the L-frame. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for our next one.